Today we are going to talk about performance marketing. So performance marketing is a type of online advertising where advertisers pay only when the target audience takes a specific action. Okay. So suppose you have this target audience and these actions can be clicking on an ad, filling out a form, subscribing to a newsletter, making a purchase, downloading an app. So we will cover all these actions one by one, but before that let's look at some other things also. So if I talk about performance marketing, so performance marketing is also known as, I'm writing PM for performance marketing. So performance marketing is also known as pay for performance marketing. Pay for performance marketing or affiliate marketing, and it differs from traditional marketing. So it differs from traditional marketing. I hope you all know traditional marketing. So in case if somebody has got some confusion, I can cover this up. So traditional marketing methods include billboards, TV ads, or radio commercials. Okay. Now, what is the key concept? The key concept behind performance marketing. So, the key concept behind performance marketing is that advertisers only pay for the results they get. If they don't get results, they will not pay. So, advertisers only pay for the results they get. This means that they can track and measure the success of their campaigns, and that too in real time, and optimize their strategies accordingly. So in a nutshell, I would say that performance marketing heavily relies on analytics, tracking, and optimization tools to deliver the best possible result. Okay, so this has become a bit cluttered, so let me just organize this. So here we have this. Okay, so let's just recall this once again. So it is a type of online advertising where the advertisers pay only when the target audience takes a specific action. Performance marketing is also known as pay for performance marketing or affiliate marketing, and it is different from traditional marketing. So if I talk about your traditional marketing, that includes your marketing methods like billboards, TV ads, or radio commercials. And what is the key concept behind performance marketing? The key concept is advertisers only pay for the results they get. So when they get the results, they can track and measure the success of their campaigns in real time and optimize their strategies accordingly. Because if they are not able to get the results, so they can work on the concept which strategy is not working, and accordingly they can rework on their strategies and optimize their strategies accordingly. So in a nutshell, if I say, so performance marketing heavily relies on analytics, tracking, and optimization tools to deliver the best possible results. So we will cover all these points in the later videos, and you will have more clarity. What does performance marketing stand for? How does it work? And what kind of analytics, tracking, and optimization tools help us to deliver the best possible result?